Hey guys, what's going on? It's Friday and I'm here in the kitchen again. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious green juice made with kale, pineapple, and oranges. This juice is not only delicious, but it's also very nutritious. You're going to get about 11 grams of protein. It's very low in calorie and it's an immune booster and also an energy booster. If you want to see how to make it, stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first ingredient that we are going to add, it's 1.5 ounces of kale. I love this ingredient because it's really high in vitamin C, it has some protein, and it can help you lower your cholesterol, so it's really good. Next we are going to add 4 ounces of pineapple. Pineapple is good for your immune system support, it's good for your bones, for your eye health. It has a lot of vitamin C and antioxidants. It's good for your digestion, and the list goes on and on. And we all know that oranges have a lot of vitamin C. They also have a lot of fiber and potassium, and those are really good for your heart. So I have to put an orange in my juice today. And now I'm going to add some almonds. We're gonna add 1/4 cup. Almonds have a lot of health benefits, you guys. I think I would have to make a whole nother video to list all the health benefits of almonds. And lastly, I like to add 1/2 cup of water and a whole cup of ice to give it that smoothie consistency. And now the fun part. We're going to blend it all in. Cover your ears, this might be loud. Cheers! Alright guys, this is how we come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time.